So we've got a bit of an issue. The floor has collapsed here, along here, but it's because the wooden beam going across this window opening down here has collapsed, as you can see. Yeah, so I've taken this brickwork out. What I'm going to try and do is raise these and then put a lintel in there and get it re-supported. If I show you downstairs. Okay, so that's what we got here. So we've got to take that out and try and put a concrete lintel in there. As you can see, it's collapsed. Put a lintel in there where it's dropped. Put a new lintel in. Try to straighten up the floor best I can. So tomorrow should be just putting the floor down. Might have to level this up a bit. I know this is dipped. Yeah, that's it. It's fixed. Now to put the board down. We removed all the concrete away from this eyesore that was in the middle of the seal, and we're going to cut this out now. So it's going to be cut out. We'll come straight into our pipe here, but we had to get the walkboard to shut off the water because it was seized, so we couldn't undo it. So they've unseized it, so we can shut it off now. And we're going to just joint straight onto that. Just trying to straighten up the wall. Going to knock it out because there's a big lump there. Try and straighten it. There's a lump here as well. I don't know if that can be seen. So I'm going to just try and knock that out because I've got a tile all along this wall. I'm going to SBR it, scraped off as much as I can. All this is going to be tiled all along here. He wants everything tiled. Above the worktops. I'll just clean this brick up a bit, bond that up. All the electrics been done. This is going to come down in the cupboard. We're going to have a socket here, and this is going to be moved next door into the boiler room. Okay, so just finished ripping that up. Okay, I'm going to be plastering that, but I've got to let that dry, so I'm going to bond this wall, just bonding the wall. Yeah, just up to that point. Bond all of that, bond all of this. It's just so that I can tile on a flat surface, because as you can see, these bricks are kind of very pretty bad. I don't know if you can see that. The bricks are pretty bad, so just got to do this wall, but I've got to wait for that to dry. Finished. It's Just this bit to do, and over there. This I'm gonna try and have to cut back to at least there. Don't think it's gonna look good like that. Okay, so right now I'm trying to bring the floor level. This was the floor in here, and I'll put a new floor in down in the kitchen. I'm just trying to bring them to the same level, so I'm taking my time and I'm just chopping it out. There's some nails in here, so I'm gonna have to just chip some of it out. Just knock the nails out. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my chisel, try and chip it out.